Once, there were some little boys.
These little boys sought refuge.
They found the cringe ward.
Yeah.
The cringe ward.
Yeah.
What was your question?
I just want to know, like, what the most disgusting thing that you like it's ever like happened to you. Probably, touching a vagina for the first time really caught me off guard.
They're icky, aren't they?
Touching the icky vagina.
Just like, I don't like sex, Mom. Oh, wait, sorry. That I'm sorry, guys. That's not.
So that's the most disgusting thing that's ever happened to you.
Yeah.
He is from Jackson County.
Oh,
Dang.
One time I was like choking on my own throw up, and it was like I forgot what I ate.
I threw up a piece of onion through my nose.
I'm done.
Okay, I can't even top that. That's bad, dude.
That's pretty great there.
Onion is throw up.
I'll tell you the most, not the most disgusting thing, but probably one of the weirdest things I've ever seen. Probably one of the weirdest things I've ever seen involves Josh.
Oh, yeah? Oh, was it what you thinking?
Was it Beach Free?
Yeah, the eating that stuff?
No.
Oh,
No.
yeah. Okay,
that's
yeah.
it. No, tell the story, Kirby. Tell the story.
So
Same.
me and Josh are going to the showers, and mind you, the showers are like parallel with each other, so they're all across from each other. Nathan is in this one, and Jacob is in this one.
Oh,
They're across from each other, and they're only like 3 or 4 feet apart. So Josh turns around and looks at me and says, "I'm gonna pee in Nathan's shower." So he sticks his dingling inside his shower.
And pees on the floor.
No, listen.
I did not pee on him.
You totally peed on his leg.
No. Yeah, see, it was weird because I peed in his shower, and then Jacob opens up his shower.
Let me tell the story. Go ahead. Okay, I'm behind Josh, and I feel someone tap me on the shoulder, and I turn around, and Jacob's shower curtain is wide open, and he's holding his penis. And he puts his hand on my shoulder and pushes me out of the way, and starts peeing on Josh.
He literally starts peeing all over me. All over me.
His butt, his leg, his back, everything.
Oh,
and there's pee running down on the shower floor. And
I'm like,
so here we are. Josh is peeing on Nathan, and Jacob is peeing on Josh.
What the crap is this?
And I'm watching it transpire, and I'm watching in horror.
I'm just waiting for Dave to walk in and be like,
And then Dave, also in that week, we see Dave.
this very large, beautiful man.
He's. Oh, never mind. I'm not.
Was this when he
just
showed the This is where the PTSD kicks in.
It's one of those PTSD
See,
moments.
that's odd because the most disgusting thing I've ever seen also is involving Josh at Beach Creek. Because
Oh no!
okay, so what we did, we were out like after midnight, which you weren't supposed to be. For some reason, we were chugging milk to see who could chug the most before you
were there, weren't you?
Growing up, and
So everybody, and it's colorful milk.
the last person who chugged the most milk after they win, after he won the competition, threw up. And everyone was just gagging, and then Josh barefoot walks through the Cheerio-infested milk.
It's Captain Crunch. Captain Crunch.
Picks up a piece and eats it.
I heard this story.
And I was just like, oh, that's pretty good. And then they were like, took a handful. I was like, and everybody's like, ah! And then Robbie grabs me. He's like, no, no.
Is it weird? Is it a bad sign that all of our most horrifying memories revolve around you?
You guys want to hear a horrifying story?
No, can it top one of
I was only 9 years old.
Shut up.
Nope.
I think
We've already done that once, and it was. We just took it.
Who was Shrek if y'all did it?
And then they
I have 2 stories.
They
Okay.
did not touch. No, he did not touch.
2 bathroom-related stories. I want to go ahead and tell you guys. All right. The first one is a short one. It happened a couple days ago. Me and Charles walked into the Speedway.
Oh, great. That's where it all happened.
And there's only one stall, and the other one was out of order. So I went in there, and I was using the bathroom, and then Charles was like, I gotta use it too. He starts peeing in the sink.
Somebody walk in.
No, he peed in the sink, and then we got done and just walked out.
I've done that.
Didn't he wash his hands?
I was
I
like,
washed my hands in my piss.
sounds like
The second one, I was at Creek Park, and we had eaten at a German restaurant earlier in the day. Okay.
Yeah.
So later that day, the food was doing a blitzkrieg on my colon.
Oh, great.
I just felt it out of nowhere. I'm like, I got crap. So we're walking. I'm like, I wonder what's the shorter way to go around Creek. So we went around the opposite way that we had came there because I'm like, oh, that may be shorter. I thought it just went right around the lake.
Oh no!
It goes like
long.
way over. So I'm like, okay, I've got to use the bathroom. I'm gonna go over to the rec center that's right across the street and use it. It was a Sunday. They were locked. My butt cheeks were clenched. I pooped in the woods at the rec center.
Oh, behind the rec center?
And used my socks.
Did you put your socks away?
Did you leave it there? I just threw it in the woods.
Yeah, somebody just goes out there and they're like, what are these poop socks? Why is there poop socks?
You know what's funny?
I just incriminated myself.
So, it says here on a very reliable source called National Geographic that 13 sperm whales washed up near the German state of Schleswig-Holstein. How do they all wash up within that little amount of time?
Suicidal tendencies.
I know, I think it was like a mass suicide. I think they were like the Asgard,
I think-
Stargate.
I think politics got them really depressed and they just decided to kill themselves.
It was like a really short amount of time, too.
The Russian whales were closing in on them, so they just killed themselves.
Oh gosh. That's depressing.
Well, like I was telling you, Kirby, earlier.
Yeah.
But anyways, when they die, they start to expand
Said they
because
were
of the
friends.
gases.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, and then they explode.
Yeah, they explode. If they get left there too long, they explode on their
But
own.
you-
So they try to blow them up.
You were
before.
telling me how they were like... How
They're
they,
Muslims.
no,
Oh my god.
listen, James was telling me how they blow them up with
They're Muslim
TNT.
whales.
Yeah, apparently back in the 70s there was a video of this, and what they did was they stuck a bunch of TNT in it, and they didn't know how much it would take, so they ended up putting too much, and they blew it up, and it went like a square mile, blew 100-pound chunks a square mile. It was crazy. Cars were crushed and everything.
Man.
So speaking of beach sperm whales,
Freaking beach.
better stab them while they're fresh. Okay.
Well, speaking of bloated animals, here's a story about
Our government.
that my dad had. He used to work for the state, picking up dead animals off the road, and he drove a dump truck, and they found this dead boxer dog, and it was like bloated twice its size, and they were about to pick it up and throw it in the back of their dump truck, but like their supervisor was like, said not to do that and just to dig a hole right next to it and bury the dog. Well, they all dug a hole and they all took their shovels and put it underneath the dog and picked it up and they dropped it.
Yeah.
And it busted open.
Oh.
It exploded.
Yeah.
Loaded. Whale.
It exploded.
Dog.
He doesn't really hot dog. Good puns. But he doesn't really explain anything past that. It's like PTSD for him.
PTSD in Vietnam, literally. He's just sitting there, like, as he's talking about the story, he's got the 1,000-yard stare.
His pupils dilate.
Yeah. He starts to sweat profusely.
Your dad's looking past you. He's like,
And then the dog exploded.
he can't finish. He
that
just
kid
stuck there
actually
and thought.
blew up.
And then he doesn't talk for the rest of the night.
Yeah.
Yeah, he beats your mom later.
Oh my god.
I'm so sorry.
Whoa.
And it ended there.
I
about.
remember. Oh, go ahead, read Reese. No, read Reese. I want to hear what he has to say.
Okay.
What did you hear
This
about
is a true story.
Oh, boy.
I'm about to tell you. I have a Hispanic friend.
Oh, that's a good story.
Oh, this is
We're off to a good start.
Yeah.
I have a Hispanic friend, and I love Hispanic people. They are
They're
most of my
beautiful.
friends.
Deport them.
No.
Anyway,
PC.
he showed me,
Deport them kindly.
first and foremost, that video that everybody used to talk about, that one man, one horse video.
No.
It was terrible.
That's not the dark.
I only-
web.
It's
not on the dark
I
web.
know, but I only watched 1 second of it, and I was like, I'm done.
But here's a fact about the dark web is that you can only access like 3% of the internet just from like Google.
Mhm.
The rest, 97% of the internet is on the dark web.
Now hold on. I thought 97% of the internet was porn. I'll break down the kind of the pie chart for you. That you have about 10% that you can access, which is everyday, normal stuff. You know, YouTube, all that. You got about 80% that's porn.
Yeah.
And then you got another 10%, which is just Russia.
And cat videos.
Russia's just like,
It's them surfing on keyboards in the winter and stuff like that.
Yeah.
That's basically it.
freaking Russia is. What is Russia? So.
Russia's
speaking
a
of
country, Josh.
Oh!
All right,
Yeah.
hand me back the talking stick. You've had enough. No, not on my bed.
I don't think it picks that up.
Don't poop.
Can I take a dump in your bed?
The next thing I wanted to talk about. What's your favorite flavor of Pop-Tart?
Oh. Toaster strudels.
You're freaking stupid.
That's not.
What are you, retarded? We're talking about Pop-Tarts here.
I'm pretty basic. I just like strawberry Pop-Tarts.
I could get that.
Or s'mores
I'm
Pop-Tarts.
gonna be that guy. I actually do like cinnamon.
I can appreciate cinnamon.
Dude, yeah.
Screaming match right here.
Cinnamon is my favorite.
I like
bro.
it whenever I put
You want to throw down
The brown sugar,
strawberry,
the brown sugar and cinnamon.
brown sugar,
Yeah,
cinnamon.
yeah, yeah.
I'm gonna tell you the truth, not just my opinion. It's good.
Whenever I introduced myself in school for the first time, I said I
Right.
shoot brides.
Oh,
And everybody was
yeah.
just like, what?
Yeah, I actually did day in graduation, so I can say I shoot schools.
Oh, yeah.
We shot up a school!
Yeah.
Oh,
High
these other
five.
kids
Like Columbine.
Kings better run, better run.
Is it gun or bullet?
It's both.
Faster
We
than
had this
light.
conversation.
Hold on.
Me and Reese
hold
have
on.
actually had that conversation.
Both.
Faster than
Alright, I want your
light.
opinions on both.
On both what?
Both.
Oh, it's both.
No, it's both.
It's Bill.
I say both.
I think it's pronounced Bill.
Both.
But lots of people, especially in the South, say both.
Both. It sounds like they're trying to puke.
It's like bowl and then
I got both.
both.
Right up at the mic and say it. I was kidding. I was both. I'm Aryan.
He's an Aryan trucker.
Are you really Aryan? Like,
James-
for real? Are you like
How am I a
German
trucker?
blood?
Yes.
Like
Would
you-
you be
you
able
work
to get
on
into the
trucks, whatever that's
SS?
called.
Yeah, I actually have German in me.
So whenever I reinstate the SS, you're gonna sign up.
Oh yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
So Kirby's
Oh,
a
wait,
Get to
wedding-
work on the trucks.
I'm a wedding filmmaker, and James' profession is a hardcore Aryan Nazi.
But he's not full Aryan.
But he's a
Yeah.
Hitler
Scott-
wasn't either, buddy.
Scott German.
Yeah.
He's literally Hitler. Can we please shave your beard off and most of your mustache and be
Well, the
I
only
need
place
to get
he
a little
can't
mark.
grow
Yeah, I know,
facial
it's
hair
like in the middle there.
is in the middle of his lip.
It's
Wait,
so
is
depressing.
mine in the middle or is it kind of missing?
It's kind of there.
I could be Hitler.
I mean, you need like a thick patch.
Can we talk about how Hitler really didn't even go through with all the stuff that happened? You know, like
Calling Hitler pussy, man.
yeah, yes, I am.
I think Hitler wasn't
because
that bad of a guy.
he did not carry out all the stuff that
Maybe
he
we shake
put into
that.
place. You know.
You'd have it.
Oh, you're gonna hit the. Okay.
I think
came
Hitler
very
was an
close.
okay guy. Like,
All right, this is not going to be publicized.
Hitler's my dad. Okay, well.
you need to pay a little animator to animate different all of our faces. We'll just pop them up on there every time somebody's
Yeah.
talking.
We can do that.
Yeah, you should. It's like
that would be
Fiverr.
hard because we're all talking at the same time. So
I know,
I just
it's
leave
just
all four of us up there the whole time. Caricatures.
Avatars.
Caricature. I can't say the word.
Anime characters.
Anime. That's
What
what.
if-
Oh, I hate
Yeah,
anime.
Can I have tentacles?
Yeah, you can have tentacles.
We are not
baby.
making tentacle porn.
Someone at my high
moment.
school said that they like to watch Chinese girls and Thai porn, whatever that is.
That's literally pedophilia.
No.
Like.
That ties world.
Okay, answer me this. I probably should know this. Thai, is that Thailand or Taiwan?
I think it's Thai food.
Thailand.
Okay, well, what is Thai food? Where is Thai food from?
I think it's
Thailand or Taiwan?
I think it's from the Thai food store. I think so. I think it's in the Thai food section.
It's at
It's
World.
dogs and cats.
It's
That's all
at
you need to know
World
about it.
Foods.
It's dogs
Is
and
there
cats.
Thai food at World
Shut
Foods?
up.
Yeah, I don't know.
stop.
Well,
Please stop.
Thai is like TH, so
THAI.
yeah. So I'm
Thai. Thai food?
I don't know if that would be.
So it's Thailand then.
Would it be Thailand? Because it's Thailand,
Is
right?
it TH? Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That answers
yeah,
your
that
question.
makes sense. Yeah,
That's where all of the prostitution happens for kids. It's really sad.
I
it
think there's
happens
lots of places
everywhere.
in Southeast
Well, no,
Asia.
That's not where all of it
Child
happens.
prostitution. Why do you think I go there 3 times a year?